Hello IG Garage family. So seeing the P0156 code on your scanner, that means there's a problem with the oxygen sensor heater circuit for bank 2, sensor 2. If left unchecked, this can lead to poor fuel economy, increased emissions, and even rough engine performance. But don't worry, in this video, I'll explain what P0156 means, where you can find the affected sensor, and how you can diagnose and fix this issue. Stick around till the end, this is an easy fix if you know where to look. The P0156 Trouble Code refers to a malfunction in the oxygen sensor circuit for bank 2, sensor 2. This sensor is located after the catalytic converter and plays a critical role in monitoring exhaust gases. When this sensor fails, the ECU, or engine control unit, can't properly adjust the air-fuel ratio, leading to poor fuel efficiency and performance issues. This can be caused by a faulty sensor, wiring issues, or a failing heater circuit inside the sensor. Symptoms of P0156: check engine light on, reduced fuel efficiency, high emissions, or maybe even a failed smog test, rough engine idle or hesitation, and sometimes a possible sulfur or rotten egg smell coming from the exhaust. Common causes of P0156. First, a faulty oxygen sensor, which is honestly the most common cause of this code. Second, damaged wiring or connectors. If the sensor wiring is frayed, corroded, or disconnected, it just won't send proper signals. Third, a blown fuse. Some vehicles have a fuse protecting the oxygen sensor heater circuit, and if it's blown, the sensor just won't function properly. And finally, exhaust leaks or a clogged catalytic converter. If there's a leak before the sensor, it may read incorrect oxygen levels. Bank 2, sensor 2 location, which is your downstream O2 sensor. Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine that does not have cylinder number 1. Sensor 2 is the downstream oxygen sensor, located after the catalytic converter. It's usually attached to the exhaust pipe beneath the vehicle, so you'll need to get under the car to access it. The oxygen sensor heater circuit is actually built right inside the sensor itself, and, its main job is to help the sensor reach its optimal temperature a whole lot faster. The heater circuit is connected to your vehicle's electrical system, and this happens through a wiring harness and a fuse. Now, if the sensor isn't heating up properly, the check engine light is going to turn on, and well, code P0156 will be stored. First, you should inspect the wiring and connectors. Take a good look at the oxygen sensor wiring for any signs of damage, burns, or maybe even loose connections. If you notice that the wiring is frayed or corroded, it's definitely going to need repair or replacement. Next, you'll want to test the oxygen sensor heater circuit. You can use a multimeter to check if the sensor is actually receiving power, which should be 12 volts. If there's no power getting through, you'll need to check the fuse and the relay that are related to the oxygen sensor circuit. Alright, now let's check for exhaust leaks. Look for any cracks or leaks in the exhaust system near the sensor. Leaks can cause false readings, so they really need to be sealed up. If the sensor fails the multimeter test, well, it's time to replace it. Make sure to use an OEM or a high-quality aftermarket sensor for the best results. After you fix the issue, go ahead and use an OBD-II scanner to clear the P0156 code. Then, take a short drive to make sure the check engine light stays off, and hopefully, you'll notice your performance has improved. So, that's how you fix the P0156 code and get your engine running efficiently again. By solving this issue, you'll actually improve your fuel economy, reduce emissions, and prevent bigger problems down the road. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car repair tips from IG Garage. Also, hey, check out these related videos. First, P0065, map sensor performance issue, and second, P0066 throttle position sensor malfunction. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.